Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the introduction of pathophysiology. So, first of all, we will discuss about the learning objective. We will discuss about the pathology and pathophysiology. Then we will discuss about the components, etiology, pathogenesis, clinical manifestations, prevalence and outcome. What is pathophysiology? The term combines the two words pathology and pathophysiology. These are actually two main और टर्म्स पैथोलॉजी एक अलग चीज़ है और फिजियोलॉजी एक अलग चीज़ है। पैथोलॉजी का मतलब होता है कि डिजीज़, पैथोस मीन डिजीज़, फिजियोलॉजी मीन्स फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द बॉडी। जब हम इन दोनों टर्म्स को कंबाइन कर लेते हैं तो हमारे पास एक वर्ड बनता है पैथोफिजियोलॉजी। पैथोफिजियोलॉजी का मतलब होता है कि डिजीज़ इन द नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द body. And then we will discuss about the definitions in separate. Pathology from the Greek word pathos mean disease, dealing with the study of the structural and functional changes in the cells, tissues and organs of the body that cause or and caused by disease. Physiology deals with the functions of the human body. Thus, pathophysiology deals with only with the cellular and organ changes that occur with disease, but with effects that these changes have on total body function. Then we will discuss about the health and disease. The WHO in 1948 defined the health as a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. This is the definition of the health. Now we will discuss about the disease, interruption or disorder of the body symptom or organ structure that is characterized usually by a recognized etiologic agent or agents, an identifiable group of signs and symptoms, consistent anatomic alterations. Then we will discuss about the symptomatic and local disease. सिस्टेमिक एंड लोकल। सिस्टेमिक डिजीज़ वो होती है जो हमारी पूरी बॉडी को इफ़ेक्ट कर रही होती है, जैसे कि डायबिटीज़ है। डायबिटीज़ हमारी फुल बॉडी को एज अ यूनिट होल जो है वो इफ़ेक्ट कर रही है। लेकिन जो लोकल डिजीज़ है, जैसे कि इंजरी हो गई है पाँव पे या कान में दर्द है या हमारे आँख में दर्द है या हमारे दांत में दर्द है, तो वो एक लोकल एरिया को इफ़ेक्ट कर रही है, होल बॉडी को नहीं कर रही। Systemic disease which affects either the entire body or several parts of it is called systemic disease. For example, diabetes mellitus. And local disease which affects one part or limited region in the body is called the local disease. An ear infection is a local disease. Then we will discuss about the disease process, etiology, pathogenesis, morphologic changes, clinical manifestation, diagnosis and clinical course. Then we will discuss about the etiology. The cause of the disease are known as etiologic factor. The factor can be extrinsic factors, intrinsic factors or idiopathic. Intrinsic extrinsic factors are temperature, humidity, radiations, electricity, chemicals. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताती चलूँ कि एक्सट्रिंसिक फैक्टर्स वो होते हैं जो हमारी बॉडी के आउटसाइड से हम पे इफेक्ट अटैक कर रहे होते हैं। इंट्रिंसिक फैक्टर वो होते हैं जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर से ही हम पे अटैक कर रहे होते हैं, जैसे कि कोई पैथोजेंस वगैरह। और आइडियोपैथिक वो होते हैं जो अननोन काज होती है। Then we will discuss etiology. Extrinsic factors are infectious agents like bacteria, viruses, fungi, insects, worms वगैरह. Then intrinsic factors are inherited, congenital, metabolical, degenerative, neoplastic, immunological and then we will discuss about the pathogenesis. Sequence of cellular and tissues events that take place from the time and of initial contact with an etiologic agent until the ultimate expression of disease. Atherosclerosis is the etiologic coronary heart disease. Then we will discuss about the manifestations. Manifestations are the signs and symptoms. Signs are that are noted and observed by others. Then symptoms are the subjective and objective data that is given by the patient. Then we will discuss about the diagnosis, the science and skill of the discussing the nature of or the cause of the health problem. Following knowledge provide basis for diagnosis, history, physical examination, laboratory tests and radiologic studies. Then we will discuss about the clinical course as acute, chronic and subacute disease. Uh, Prevalence and incidence. Prevalence is a measure of existence of the disease, and incidence reflect the amount of the causes arising in the local area. Prognosis is the refer to the probably outcome and perspective of the recovery of the disease. And now this is end of my topic. Please visit for further videos to my YouTube channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.